you're working on a drawing and, 5 hours down, you got it. You think that, you laid some details. I mean, it looks great. You went to have lunch and you come back to your drawing and the blood sugar came back to your body and your carbs are circulating, got some proteins going on. Then you look at your picture again, you're like, this shit sucks. So you're like, what do you do? What do you do? And here's the answer. You never start off drawing images straight up from detail. Like you create silhouettes. That's a wolf. That is a wolf. I started drawing this as a bear right here. And then in this game also there's a tiger and then there's also a dragon, right? If you want to call that. So by using silhouettes, we can start over and it's friendly. So we're gonna do that and we're gonna start this guy here with a kind of silhouette. It's kind of a merger where I'm already creating the planes in the head. I save myself some time doing that, and you learn how to do it over time. Just keep working it. Um, Note, don't stiffen the arms when you draw. Anyway, going back to the altered beast, I'm going to recreate him, not looking like a bear, looking like a wolf this time, and I'm going to stick to the original plan. I'm going to stick to what makes Altered Beast look like an Altered Beast. That's very important. Stick to your original lore, stick to your original source material. Don't deviate too much because no one will recognize it. People ask you, well, what is that? And you'll be like, oh, it's an Altered Beast, and they don't know. So, yeah, like an old school gamer like me, yeah, okay. All right, so and that's really it. Like, you build up. Now I'm working towards putting detail in this, and I'm not really trying to fight nothing. And I do a little bit here and I move here and I move there. When you draw a full picture, like a full screen image, like there's multiple things going on. In my traditional art training, it was taught that you draw or you paint the whole picture at the same time. I have noticed artists, including myself coming up when I was in high school, we kind of like specialize, become accountants. We look at small areas and spend 2 hours on it, and it is great. I'm sure it comes out looking good. But at the same time, there's a whole picture, and one area stands out in your whole picture because you spend more time on there. And if you have that problem, this is a solution for you. Move around, spend 2 minutes on it instead of 2 hours, and pick another part of the picture. Exactly what I'm doing here. I'm zipping around, and this is not edited towards any order. This is exactly how I worked, and this is exactly how I moved around, and exactly how I do my little details like this right now. I'm satisfied with the image. It's good. The posture is good. It's a fighting stance. The Wolfman, he knows martial arts, by the way, if you don't know. And damn, I think this time's up for this video. Final form's coming out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. He's gonna flame on, and I'm gonna throw some inks in here and call that a day. Use silhouettes. Silhouettes are good. It'll save you time and give you a peace of mind. You wouldn't want to throw stuff on the wall. Again, thank you for checking in. You guys are great. See you later. Bye.